dream scenario before the opportunity to link up with capital ever came to be. So we started out with the syndicate program, and we developed this little charting, basically communication piece, so that the traders could work together and they could link up together. Now, the reason we did that is because we knew if you're going to have a virtual trading floor, if you're going to have a trading floor where one guy's in Sydney and the other guy's in London and you got another guy in Texas, that there's going to have to be a way to bring those guys together under one banner. And so we ended up creating this trading platform, or this chat platform, in order to bring everybody under the same roof, where you could instantly communicate with every one of your traders all over the world at the same time. The second thing that we wanted to do was, we knew if we were going to bring traders in, we had to create a place where all the records could be kept. So if I have 100 traders who are working on getting profitable and getting funded, I have to have a way to track all of their performance. And I've got to be able to do reviews with them so that I can talk with them about, okay, what's going on here? You're coming up against your 3% drawdown for the day. You need to shut down. All those types of things, to be that support. Because on a real trading floor, you've got a guy who runs that floor. And he sees everybody's trades, everybody's positions. He's very, very cognizant of the money that's going on. And so we knew that we were going to have something like that if we were going to be able to have the virtual prop trader program that we wanted to have. Again, didn't have any idea where the funding was going to come from, but we knew we needed to build it, so we started. And we spent tens of thousands of dollars building out this process. And it's not perfect, but it works. And we're continuing to make improvements. Well, now all of a sudden, we have some conversations, we meet some folks, and it turns out that we have a very unique and interesting opportunity to be able to provide traders with something that most of them have never had before, and that's the ability to trade institutional money. It is I'm just really excited about it.
Yeah, I mean, that is awesome, because now, I mean, the whole point is we're trying to train these traders, and we focus a lot on, trading is not just not a hobby, it's a business for you, and the idea should be how to take your business to the next level, whether it be education, whether it be money management, because that's when you start making the real returns. Unless you're starting with $1 million accounts, but most people aren't. And so it's pretty cool to have that mindset, or have that opportunity ahead of you, saying that, well, if I train the right way, I have this opportunity to take that next step already, instead of saying, okay, well, I'm trading, I'm successful, but am I ever going to make enough money to really quit my job and get that financial freedom, which is the original goal? Now it's out there for you, and I know, to me, that would have been motivation.
I know, yeah,
that would have been motivating.
If someone had this when I was first getting started, I might have taken a very, very different tack, especially when I talk to you guys about how we're doing it. It's really, really cool. But the question is, Jason, those that took the Ratio Masters series, which is another program that we had, and can show a 3-month track record of being profitable using the strategies you taught, can we still be eligible for the program? Yes, you need to email Darren. You are still going to have to go through our process, because the way that we're doing it, you're going to have to do a 90 days, because there are specific, I would guess that you are probably more aggressive than these guys are going to want to see. So you're going to have to probably adjust your position sizing and money management models in order to more closely align to what these guys are looking for, and that's probably going to require a little bit a new track record. And also, we're doing everything off of the new platform that we have, and the way that the investors are going to be coming in and looking at it is on that platform. So you can't submit your trading results from FXCM and be eligible for funding. You're going to have to go through the process. So the answer is yes, with a couple of hoops that you have to jump through. My first Gartley worked.
Yeah.
Over and over again. It's like we freaking know what we're talking about. It's like, man. What other questions do you guys have? Again, and Dee, maybe we should try and figure out how many spots we've got left, because I'm guessing we probably have got
getting close.
Probably got some more folks coming into the program. Yeah, we do. I'm just looking at my email. Yes.